some cinnamon cupcakes. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius at gas mark 4. So you also want to line your tin or pan, and you can use 12 or actually any number, but we would actually recommend 10 or 12. Actually.
Mommy, look, it looks like 400.
Yeah, that's a lot, isn't it? It's 12.
Yeah, and it looks like it's like 4.
Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's an array. So there's 3 there, and then that makes 12. So the next step is to beat the butter. So who wants to put butter in? Me. Okay, Joshua, you can put butter. So just dump the butter, and then someone can add 1 sugar, and I'll add the other.
But I want to add 1 sugar.
And make sure that all the butter's in there. That's a good amount of butter. Okay, let me put the rest. Okay, who wants to add sugar?
Me.
Okay, what one, brown or white?
I think white.
Okay, and then I'll add the brown. So you want to dump in both of your sugars, and all the details of the ingredients and the amounts will be in the description box below. And I'm going to add the demerara sugar. Okay, so now we have to whisk.
But make it one piece.
Yeah, until it's light and fluffy.
We're going to make them fluffy.
So make sure that it's not itchy.
It's getting nice and fluffy, boy. Look, I think it's done. So shall we taste it until it's ready? It's so delicious.
Not yet, it's not done yet. Just look, smell this. Oh, it looks very good. So I'm just going to keep on mixing until it's fluffy. I put it extra high. And it's going to go so high. You see? It's so high. It's very loud. Yeah.
I love that noise.
What are you doing? Okay. So we have now just beat up our butter and the sugars. And now we need to add half of the egg because there's 2 eggs in, so we need to add half. That's good. And then we have to mix well.
Mix.
Yes, it again.
It's like a nice and fluffy boy. Be quiet now.
And it's getting so smooth. Yeah,
Be quiet now.
it looks very nice. Yeah, it's pretty smooth.
Joy, shall we taste a little bit?
No, not yet. Because raw egg is not good. Okay, so now in a separate bowl, mix in the flour, and the cinnamon together. Then add the remaining, and then add to the butter.
Is this cinnamon?
Yes. So what one of you can do is you're gonna get this, the purple one. What's this?
Purple.
Okay, so you're gonna open it. I'm gonna open it for you guys, and you can add
A little bit.
you scoop it, and then you put one in there. Okay.
Okay, let
Just
me do it. Let me get that. It just smells so bad.
So that was just one half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So now we're gonna
add some flour. Put more.
Just put that in there. Oh look, see, it looks so smooth, doesn't it?
Oh, the water! The flour goes in my mouth. That looks delicious.
See, it's so smooth, isn't it?
It's getting nice and smooth.
I'm just gonna put that. So now we're done. That's cool. No, not yet.
Delicious.
Okay, now I'm gonna put this in. Okay, now you're going to add the remaining egg. And then you're gonna mix it again. Okay, now you're gonna mix it again.
I can't do it.
Okay. Look at how smooth it is.
So I think I can't do it. You think I can't do that?
No. Guys, I want to show you how smooth this batter is. It's really smooth and it looks really good. I can't wait to try this.
Next up, we're going to put the mixture into the cupcake line.
Well done, high five. You don't want to overfill them because they will rise because they're self-raising. We're each going to do 4.
That would be
It was a hair. I have to help Jasmine though because okay. Now one more. I'm just gonna add this big. Oops. Just some honey.
That's my
Okay, Jasmine.
Okay, I'll do
Just
it.
don't make.
That is Joshua's turn.
Yeah.
Wow, I totally like it. What's this one?
Okay, Desi. Okay, that's enough. You've done 4 now. Josh's turn.
Joshua, these things are for you. Put it all inside.
And then
The cupcake battery have all ruined. Oh my goodness, I want it so. Joshua, that's brilliant.
put the rest into
Into the cupcake slime. Who's the big one?
oops.
If you was my accident and sister, you're the best. Oh, unsalted star.
Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this one because it's big. I'm gonna put it in here. Now we have filled our cupcakes. I'm just going to tap them down a little bit to pop all the bubbles and so that top will be smooth. So we've just done a little cleanup on our pan because if you leave the batter that's formed on the pan, then it might burn on the pan. And now I'll hand it over to my brother.
So now we have to put it in the preheated oven for 15 minutes.
So we're going to do that now. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes. These have been in the oven for 15 minutes. and you have to let it cool, which we've already done. You have to let it cool because it's going to be really hot, and these smell absolutely delicious, and they look so scrumptious. And you're going to dig in, and I really recommend making these because they were really fun to make, and also they will taste delicious. So guys, if you want to see more baking videos, other interesting videos on our channel, please subscribe and also like this video and some of the other videos that we've done. And turn on the notification bell so that every time we post a video, your notifications will go ding ding, and then you can go to our channel and you'll see the new video that we posted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Bye!